Exotics at Broadway. We didn't film much because there was just way too many people, way too packed. But we are now back on the streets, day 3 of Monterey Car Week. We're going up tomorrow, so today's kind of the last day. We got all the GT3 RSs out. Look at this. We're going on a GT3 RS cruise in my R8. So we're kind of crashing the party a little bit. Hey, we got 2 R8s actually. Why does he look like that, bro? But we got both R8s and there's like 10 GT3 RS. Huh? Of course, Ron's here. This one's freaking sick, bro.
This is probably the nicest spec I've seen.
No, honestly, this one too, though. Look at that.
Yeah.
He looks like he's been in the dirt like us. Because we got stuck too and our tires are all dirty. That green is fire too. That green is super sick. My favorite though, I'm not gonna lie, I think I like Rez's. The gray is hard, bro. That one's for sure my favorite. How are you? Good. You want to trade cars?
I'm okay.
He's like, nah, I don't want to drive that shit.
No, I would drive that actually.
We can trade one day, I'm down.
I'm down with it.
You gotta come to LA again, bro. You haven't got to like drive around over there, huh?
Nah. Well, actually, last year before Car Week, I had my 3RS there for like a couple days, and then drove it up here. Driving out there is just peak, bro. Same with here, like Miami is just straight roads.
I know.
You had a car in Miami before, you know.
That's what's cool. Nice. Like we have the canyons and shit, the beach.
Yeah. There it's just like straight highway with nothing to look at.
You think this thing's fast or no? You got the headlight delete. Kind of copy. Got the pod light in there. But he's
safe.
crazy for driving it like this in Monterey. The cops here are pretty strict, guys. That's why I didn't bring my G80. I want my G80 to burn. Cars sound and look insane. You can just see all the spoilers, bro. Felt a little left out, I'm not gonna lie. I want one of these cars. Really bad. Maybe, bro. I wish they were faster, but still, like, they're such sick cars. And you can make all of them look so different, too. Like, all of these cars look hella different. Look at all the spoilers. Like, it literally looks like we're on a racetrack. A bunch of race cars. Damn, bro. Like, the scenery and the cars just look crazy together. Bro, they literally scared me.
Bro, we thought that shit was on fire. That shit was straight red.
He pulled up next to me. He's like, yo, I think your car's on fire. That's my worst fear. I'm like, you don't have a fire extinguisher just in case? Swear. But I see, look at the underglow, bro. That shit's completely fell off.
See it, bro.
Dude, my bad.
Nah, at least it's not on fire. Look, it was this.
Oh, the tape.
This is what you saw.
Dude, that shit was straight
Yeah,
red.
while driving, it's
Oh, this stuck. Oh, my underglow's messed up, bro.
just because we got stuck in the sand yesterday.
Oh,
So I
shit,
dragged it
I
up.
saw the video.
Go, go, go.
You're stuck. Shit. There we go.
Jesus, bro.
Yeah, it sucks, but good thing it's not on fire.
Fuck, bro. My
That
bad,
scared
dude.
me.
My bad.
No, thanks for warning me just in case. Well, good thing my car's not on fire. You guys don't understand, that's literally my biggest fear with this car. I have a fire extinguisher like right here too, just in case that would ever happen. But you guys know, twin turbo R8s or Huracans, it happens.
Everything's a risk once you start modifying cars.
Literally, bro, you guys saw Gabe's Aventador caught on fire yesterday. Twin turbo Aventador, cooked. He pulled up next to me, he's like, Nick, stop, bro, you might be on fire. My heart just dropped, dude. Yo, this is a vibe. There's so many freaking cars, bro.
This feels like a Forza convoy.
Literally. We really are in the Forza lobby this whole weekend. Dude, this trip has made me want a 720. Now I want a GT RS. Wow, this is a sick gas station. It doesn't even look real here. Oh my god, bro. These cars are just so photogenic. I'm sorry, Ron, but I think I like Brez's better, bro. Brez's is like simple and clean. I don't know. That's tough.
I love Nick. I love Nick. I love Nick.
ShopFindingNick.com.
ShopFindingNick.com.
Go in my
I felt like I was gonna see Nick today, so I had to worry, you know.
You're always worried, you know. Bro, right now some kid scared me. He said my car was on fire. So I pulled over real quick to check. Literally, that's what I thought of. But it was just like the underglow was on the floor, like dragging.
Bro's about to start crying. It's okay, I'll give you a ride home into yours, bro.
You're for real?
Yeah, I'm for real.
Oh my god, are you sure?
I'm sure.
Don't get mad at me, okay? Hold on. We gotta make it look nice.
Yo.
What if I put a big old bro? No, I'm just kidding.
Hold on, let me see.
You gotta show the vlog, bro. Look at it. That's a real Sharpie too.
That's a Sharpie?
Yeah, you're crazy. That's the first time I ever signed someone's forehead with a Sharpie.
Flex the watches too, flex the watches.
The watch? Mine's fake.
Appreciate you, boss.
Of course, bro.
Hey, remember me from last year? No.
Maybe, but I met a lot of people last year. The
you
blue?
didn't like it.
Yeah, I changed it. That's my dream car. Identical to that. Look at that color, bro.
Almost.
Bro, that shit's legit the Batmobile.
Nice to meet you, bro. Oh, I love your videos, bro.
Thank you, bro.
What's up?
Hi, kids.
Why ain't Nick? Got a little track hog now. Yeah, you
like it or what?
now, yeah.
I know. I should have brought it. Where's the GTR?
Fucking park that shit far. Me ain't gonna get strike.
Imagine. By me.
Why ain't Nick all this sudden?
It's finding Nick. Now it's found Nick.
What camera are we looking at?
I don't know.
Good stop, bro. Alright, we just made it to like the local Chevron, which turns into like a car meet every night. This is kind of like the new In-N-Out, because In-N-Out's burned, it's done. No more In-N-Out. I wish we would have stopped by In-N-Out, because it would have been funny. I guess it's like security guards blocking the road, and no supercars can get in. Like if you have a supercar, you can't get in. But if you drive like another car, they'll let you in. It's really weird. 3 R8s back to back. We got a blue one, mine, and Caller's, which is the loudest R8 I've ever heard.
Hello, are you streaming?
No.
Oh,
We need to vlog it. Parker, where's he at? We were literally just cruising with this guy back in LA like 2 days ago. I'm gonna miss Car Week though. It's kind of sick. Like just cars everywhere. Go back home to no content. No one likes doing car stuff at home anymore. The LA car scene's dead. Why did David not bring his car? If we got a new car right before Car Week, it would have been perfect. I would have brought it. Mint green M4, and it's paint. It's not wrapped. Oh, shoot, I haven't even seen this. Fresh kicks! Sign my shoes. But this shit's so sick. It's my first time seeing his Nismo. My boy's rich. He paid $400K for this. Can you guys believe that? That they're worth $400,000 now?
I would get a color with it.
But the Nismos went up in value, guys. $400K. My boy's rich. I also love the black. My GTR is black, but it wasn't a Nismo. I'm not that rich. I'm a little rich. Not that rich. Hey, what material wrap is this? what material is
It's
it?
the OEM wrap right here. Come on now.
I think this is the same wrap I had.
It's the same wrap, bro. Come on now.
This is actually paint, which is crazy. What's up?
Hello.
How are you? Nice to see you too.
This is kind of ridiculous gas
I know.
station takeover.
No takeover.
No, I mean like we're taking over.
Yeah,
the
we're
gas
taking over.
station. Dude, you know me. I'm not a takeover person
Me
whatsoever.
neither. Yeah. Damn.
Cops have passed by. Seems chill.
Surprisingly, everyone was saying like cops are ruining Car Week and stuff, but the cops have been chill. They haven't been tripping at all.
You're chill when you're not black.
Okay.
Black now. You one of us.
I'm black now with the
You're one of
TRX.
us.
YN with the TRX.
He's the
I'm a
YN,
YN?
for sure. You're one of us.
I should have brought my big chain.
Welcome to the back of the bus, brother.
Now there's 4 already. Look at this one. This one's all over me. Here's the new front end, which I need, bro. I need that front bumper. That hood is crazy too. It's different, huh? I think I like that hood better, no? It's completely different. Can you tell me your front bumper?
Damn, I just got it on, bro.
How much was it?
I got it for a deal. I found this guy on Facebook, and it was $5,000 with the lift.
That's a deal?
Yeah, I think that's the deal, bro.
I mean, maybe, yeah.
Some of the guys told me paid like $10,000.
God
I don't like the
I don't want
fitment of the lift, but everything else came out good on it.
Bro, it looks good, bro. It's not bad at all.
Yeah.
The hood is crazy. Yeah, I need to do the bumper, guys, but $5,000?
You need to
I'm
do the
cheap.
bumper. I need to do the twin turbos. That's what I need.
That's straight. Okay, maybe we could convince Jake to shoot some flames because he just pulled up and the flames are insane. Here, bro. That was very sick. Look what he had to do. He put tape, like heat shield tape, because he's literally burning the carbon fiber. Damn, that carbon's cooked, bro. It's like brown. Oh, Callus car's so loud, look. That's insane. There's no way it's like that. What the fuck? Bro, it's literally on fire. Look at that. Nah, I'd be scared. I would think my car's on fire every day. I'm scared. I want to go home. You think he pulled out? Bro, there was literally a cop hiding in the bushes, bro. I'm not even joking. Everyone just calm down right now. Everyone's in 6th gear. Event where you drive around the streets and it's only modified cars. It's kind of sick, bro. I am gonna miss car week. This is the last night, by the way. Tomorrow we go home. But that was fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed all the content. We tried to film as much as we could. It's just been very spontaneous. It's literally just going with the flow. Whatever happens, happens. Whoever we collab with happens.
Yeah.
It was fun though.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.